Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMLH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one in the past. That's where the red and green line here are coming from. But both of those are pretty irrelevant at this point in time, so I'll use those as the video unfolds. But simply put, today, the bears are back in full control. Now, what gives me the right to say the bears are back in full control? Well, not only has the price broken below the medium-term trend indicator, which is that purple line, the 50 period, after today's price action, the price is not only broken below the pink line, which is the very famous 200 period, it's continued to separate to the downside. And I say very famous because even if you just have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period simple moving average, and you know that at least from a bullish perspective, when the price is above it, you want to see it act as support. If it does not act as support, well, then that's always considered a victory for the bears, and that's what happened today. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that the bulls can't all of a sudden come, back tomorrow and get back up above that pink line and, kind of start to, turn the tide of the chart. But as things stand at this moment in time, based off where the price is closed, you got to say the bears are in, full control because the price is now, below both of these moving averages. And, the further it separates, it being the price. So if the price tomorrow continues to separate, the further and further it gets away from that pink line, that's just, the stronger and stronger the evidence becomes that, yeah, the bears are not only in control, but they're gaining that much more momentum. So key level of resistance, if you haven't really connected those dots, definitely that pink line. The sooner the price can get back above that pink line, the better. You can see the bulls actually tried right there, but that's right where the price got rejected. So again, sooner the price gets above it, the better. As far as levels of support, so that's where this green line up here is going to come into play. We got to zoom out on the chart here a little bit to go back to the history. Let's see. Is that where the price bounced off of today? Yes, I'm talking to myself. Right there at that point. Went slightly below it, but ultimately did hold right there at 0058. 0058 through the history, you can see here multiple times bears try to press down through. Then again, bears try to press down through. And today, bears try to press down through, and it is holding. Past couple times, some nice bounces have happened off of that level. Don't get me wrong. I wish trading was this easy, and I could say that just because it's bounced off here twice before, that it is 100% guaranteed to bounce. I'm not saying that. Would I be shocked to see a bounce? Would not be shocked, but I can't sit here and make any sort of guarantee like that or anything. But 0058, definitely key level of support going into tomorrow. So we'll see if the bulls can get back above that pink line by the end of the week or not.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.